Mic check, mic check. Tartan Majiro, no more tartan disease, target to my source. Dig in your pocket, take it in the point, tic-tac time is tricky. I'm like Taliban, Dean running on my big vein. S-O-G, I'm their daddy. Let them know that we the G's, the real G's. Lose the shit, nigga, we belong G's. It's us in my nigga, we rulin' the street. These niggas trying though, we let them see bro. We trippin', they poopin', we laughing, they crying. You claim to be a rapper, but fuck the fake rappers. Somali MCs, blandos, DMT, MHD, AK, Waya Usub finest, Kais made the history. Balil was a king, FJ is a legend. His Maru is my nigga, but nigga who are you? Let me see your mother chicken, let me be your boss, Cora, don't be with bitches. I fuck with your bitch, my beer out of town. I'm down in low key, no mercy for a stranger. I kill with the dog, that's key to the world. You rank with Loopy, she my side chick. The game is over, oh my god, I kill competition. No competition, no competition. I say no competition. I say no competition. Say no competition. Who did it? No competition. It's me.
tartan ma jiro tabara wayse tolka uwatore dugsi maqwayse qudammeer mandargeedu safargan maskaxda kubad ku dheeli marduulis maxaa ka taqaan maroodi ma ismode maamulka muji ma halgay way tageen risaasi wataqa xabada uu ku dili jidkaan ku jidi daanyada baqlo dadis magarte doli dawasi wataqaan waxaa takhaydoon waxaan ahaydalo
competition. No competition. Hey yo, hashtag 36. My nigga, Risasi. Yo, that is it, nigga. When you see us, nigga, run for your shit, nigga. We don't do that shit, nigga. Shout out to my almighty niggas out there. No more competition, nigga.